This is Deborah Coulter. I'm at Chapter 2 questions. Going to explain the difference. This is question number 5. Explain the difference between a phoneme, a grapheme, and the alphabetic principle. A phoneme is the speech sounds that we're used to making. So we teach children that P says P. And then a grapheme is the written representation of that sound. The letter P looks like this when we write it. And the alphabetic principle is the relationship between those two things. For example, this is a pig. What's the beginning sound, the initial sound in that word? What letter would we write to say P? Question number 4, the differences and what these words mean. Blending is when you put speech sounds together. It's decoding when you learn to read. And then segmenting is when you deconstruct sounds. The phonemic elements are separated so that you can learn how to spell a word. Question number 10. What do these words mean? Or how do we teach these things? Excuse me. Automaticity with sight words. We teach that probably with repeated practice using flashcards. For example, the word people doesn't follow the rules, so you have to see that word and learn it and see it many times to just have automaticity to know that that O is in there. It's a sneaky letter that we wouldn't expect. Robust vocabulary, honestly, reading to children, repeated readings, reading to children nonstop, introducing them to text, using Frayer models. Children won't develop a robust vocabulary until they have a reason to. They have to hear words, use words, see words, new words that they're not used to on a daily basis. Reasoning abilities, that's metacognition. Children won't develop reasoning abilities until they learn to inference, and the way that they will do that is to have someone model that for them. Stop, model a think aloud while you're reading to children. That will help them to learn reasoning and abilities. And finally, world knowledge, that will be developed with experience in life. And a lot of our low subs kids don't have experiences in life because they don't go anywhere or do anything. They have the same experience every day at their small little environment, and you have to go places to make connections to the world.